Welcome back. Now news from sports. The Indian national football side is without a coach now. Savio Madeira's stint with the national side came to an end in May. The Goan has written to All India Football Federation but has not yet heard from authorities. Obviously, Savio is unhappy due to this uncertainty. Former Salgaonkar coach also feels this crucial off-season time could have been utilised for maintaining fitness of players, playing international friendlies to help stay in tune for the coming I-League season. Prudent caught up with Savio Madeira over telephonic conversation.
This time last year, Armando Colasso was appointed interim India coach, and Indian football seemed to be on its way to better days. Not because of Armando, but simply because India was playing and improving. But this time, the senior footballing affairs seem to have taken a backseat. Savio Madeira took over in November, and following the end of his brief contract as head coach with the AIFF, the federation seems to have found themselves in a sticky spot yet again.
Any communication yet whether you are given an extension with the team?
No, nothing as yet.
Okay. Any plans? Any future plans of yours right now?
Nothing as yet. Just waiting.
Okay, because the last we had spoken to you, you told us that you were going to communicate with the AIFF. Has any such communication taken place?
No, I sent a mail for them to the secretary, so he had sent me a mail saying that he will revert back to me, but not yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you going to, is there any urgency on your behalf, or you're quite happy with the role you are in right now?
No, I'm not happy if I'm not working. So right now I don't have anything, so hope something comes up in the way and I'll take it up.
What about the role you have played so far with the Indian team? You've seen a lot of these young boys coming through, so ideally you would want to be there still with them, and you would want this time to be spent with them, because since this is also the off season, would you have liked that you could have had some kind of a camp at this point of time and been with the team rather than just hanging in the air because of the AFF not communicating anything to you?
Yeah, absolutely. It's not only because of me. Some other coach also was there. This time was important because the players are totally free, and that is the time you can work with the players. You can understand them much better, where you don't get this much of time, any time in between once the season starts. So if any coach was there, I think this was the right time to work with the boys and to understand them and to know them better for the future whenever you want for small friendly games or FIFA days. Then this time is much more valuable. So I think this time could be well used by the ESF.
Okay. They have appointed a underage coach, a junior coach in Papas. A similar attention could have been given even to the national side then in that case.
Yeah, that is what I was saying. It's not because I'm talking of because of me only. If any other coach was there, this would have been the best ideal time to get the boys together, because they are not with the clubs. They are free, and what happens once our players are off season, by the time they come back, their fitness level goes back to zero.
Yeah.
So at least they would have been in fitness, and when they join back the clubs, they would be in good condition for the clubs also to be better.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira for Prudent Media.
World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June to raise global awareness to take positive environmental action. Take action before it's too late. Let's all strive to get a greener environment. In past 5 decades, Mother Earth has witnessed large scale of pollution, deforestation and other environmental hazards. Let's all pledge to save our environment in all the ways possible. Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.